Hi everyone, Michelle Markey with Medina Domestic Arts Studio, and this is my quick tip for the day. When I walked in this morning and started working on my blocks for an order, I was having a lot of problems with false stops, they're usually called false thread breaks, and also a lot of skipping in the needle. Now I use a lot of these. I don't know if you can see this. This is actually a Coats paper L bobbin. And what happens with these, they're great bobbins, by the way, I'm not trashing the bobbin, but what happens with these is they often get a buildup. So I'm going to take this out and show you a little trick that I do whenever I start seeing this. Now, let me see if I can get this where you can see it, because sometimes it's a little bit hard. Yeah, let me turn this around. And again, I apologize. I'm trying to work upside down while I do this. Now, what happens is, and I'm going to try to see if I can turn this. You might be able to see that right there at in the tip there's a bit of gunk. In fact, you can see it. I'm going to get the shadow just right here. There's a bunch of gunk that's been built up as a result of running bobbins. Now, I go and do probably 200,000 stitches a day on both machines. So this builds up pretty quick. So the way I take care of it is I'm going to take a straight pin and I'm going to stick it in here like so. Let me get this so it's focused. And I just kind of work this underneath. Now try to not be here. Let me get down a little bit better. Sorry about that. There we go. I can see this better. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? Let me tell you something. A bit of built up lint like that can really cause havoc with your tension and with your bobbin, and that can cause a lot of skip stitches. I already did the other one this morning and it's stitching out beautifully. So this is from my second machine, and getting a wad of gunk out like that will certainly help anybody. It doesn't matter what machine you have. So the next time you're running your machines and you're getting a lot of skip stitches, whether it's for embroidery or whether it is on a regular sewing machine, pull out your bobbin and give it a good cleaning. You won't regret it, and I bet you'll have much better stitching afterwards. Well, I hope this helps, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.